Tēnā koutou katoa. No mai hoki mai, welcome back to 2 Minute Te Reo. First of all, we're going to make sure that we whakamahara, that we revise, we remind ourselves on what we did in the last video, which was he aha mau, right? Which is asking somebody what for you. So we had questions like he aporo mau, all right? He kiwi fruit mau, all right? Ka pai. Today what we are going to look at is that same phrase, but we're going to change it and we're going to make sure we can answer it for ourselves, right? So this time we would say he aporo maku, right? Which means an apple for me. So somebody might ask you, he kiwi fruit, he hua kiwi mau, he aporo mau, right? So they're asking, would you like a kiwi fruit? Would you like an aporo? And you can say, yeah, he aporo maku, right? Ka pai. So we're changing it instead to the mau, we're changing that to maku, right? Ka pai, and that is for you. So you might be looking on the tepu, having dinner, you'd like the salt. Oh, he salt maku, right? The salt for me. So you're putting it onto yourself this time, right? Somebody might be asking you, he kapu tea mau, he tiakerete wera mau, he tea maku, right? Maku is for me, for yourself. Ka pai? Tino pai, everyone. Ka pai warang for your mahi. Keep it up and see you tomorrow for another one.